everyone, and welcome to Into Music with the Voices Foundation. We're so happy to have you here with us. We'll be here every Friday until the end of term to help you get into musical learning at home. Together we'll be playing with musical concepts, practicing new skills, and learning fun new songs you can sing with the whole family. Let's take a look at what we're doing today. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe, click the notifications bell, give this video a thumbs up, follow us on Twitter at voices_found, and use the hashtag VFIntoMusic if you do any of this at home, because we'd love to see it. To warm up our bodies and voices today, we're going to do a fun rhyme called Hello, my name is Joe, and it's going to involve you looking very silly and being quite silly and your whole body moving. I'm just going to start, you'll pick it up really quickly and we'll just be having a great time together. Hello, my name is Joe, and I work in a button factory, and one day my boss came up to me and said, Joe, are you busy? I said, no. Well, push this button with your right hand. Hello, my name is Joe, and I work in a button factory, and one day my boss came up to me and said, Joe, are you busy? I said, no. Well, push this button with your left hand. Hello, my name is Joe, and I work in a button factory, and one day my boss came up to me and said, Joe, are you busy? I said, no. Well, push this button with your right foot. Hello, my name is Joe, and I work in a button factory, and one day my boss came up to me and said, Joe, are you busy? I said, no. Well, push this button with your right foot. Hello, my name is Joe, and I work in a button factory, and one day my boss came up to me and said, Joe, are you busy? I said, no. Well, push this button with your nose. Hello, my name is Joe, and I work in a button factory, and one day my boss came up to me and said, Joe, are you busy? I said, yes! Let's now cool our bodies down, ready for singing. So everyone take a big breath in, get it out like a big snake, and another big breath in, get it out like you're blowing up a massive cake with huge candles. And another big breath in, let it out on a calm sigh. In fact, let's explore pitch a little bit with our sigh this time. We're going to take another big breath in and we're going to go from as high as we can till as low as we can, like this. Here we go. Let's do it again. How high and how low can you go? I really enjoyed our welcoming song last week of Jumbo, so I thought I'd bring in another welcoming song, Funga Alafia. This is a really popular song on YouTube. You can search for loads of different versions after you've watched this video. This is a traditional greeting song from Nigeria in the Yoruba language, and it roughly means welcome and blessings. It's a call and response song, so there's a call and then everyone responds. I'm going to represent the call with this side of my body and then with the response with this side of my body. But we're probably going to end up singing the whole song together. But I just want you to know that that's the type of song that it is. Funga alafia, ashe, ashe. Funga alafia, ashe, ashe. Funga alafia, ashe, ashe. Funga alafia, ashe, ashe. That's the song. It's very, very simple. And what you can do when you're in a bigger group is half of you can sing the call, Funga Alafia, and then half of you can sing the response, Ashe, Ashe, Funga Alafia, Ashe, Ashe. Now some people might want to sing that last response lower, like this. Funga Alafia, Ashe, Ashe, Funga Alafia, Ashe, Ashe. So the words are Funga Alafia. Can you say that with me? Funga Alafia. And then Ashe, Ashe. Your turn. Ashe, Ashe. Very, very good. I will do it my turn, your turn this time. Off I go. Funga Alafia. Funga Alafia. Ashe, Ashe. ashe, ashe. Fungo alafia, fungo alafia, ashe, 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 ashe. Fungo alafia, ashe, ashe. Fungo alafia, ashe, ashe. Fungo alafia, ashe, ashe. Fungo alafia, ashe, ashe. Those were the two versions, the high version and the low version. We're going to put a very simple body percussion pattern to this so that we stay to the pulse. We're going to do our shoulders, click, clap, click. Shoulders, click, clap, click. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will keep us to a steady beat and a steady pulse so we don't race away and get excited. Off we go! Funga alafia, ashe, ashe. 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 I really hope you enjoyed that welcoming song. Do search for it on YouTube. There are loads of wonderful versions, different dances and movements that you can do. Maybe you can come up with some yourself. Don't forget to tag us on Twitter, #VFIntoMusic, so we can see what you get up to. Today's songs are all about having fun. The first song we're going to do is a song that you might be familiar with from the playground, and that's called High Low Chickalo. Now you might know the one that goes, my name is High Low Chickalo, something like that. But I only know this one, and it goes like this. High, low, chickalo, 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 high, low, chickalo, chickalo, high. And what's great about this one is that when you sing high, you clap hands to someone else up high, and when you sing low, you clap hands with someone else down low. So then it's really self-explanatory. And the middle hand is your chicka. High, low, chicka, low, chicka, low, chicka, low. High, low, chicka, low, chicka, low, high. Now for those of you that don't know it, I'm going to teach it to you now. It goes like this. High, low, chicka, low. Your turn. High, low, chicka, low. Then we do chickalo, chickalo, your turn. Chickalo, chickalo. Very good. Then we do high, low, chickalo, your turn. High, low, chickalo. And then we do chickalo, high. Go, chickalo, high. Let's do the whole thing together slowly. Just follow me and sing along. Off we go. High, low, chickalo, chickalo, chickalo. High, low, chickalo, chickalo, high. Very, very good. Let's do it as fast as we can. Let's change the tempo. Off we go. High, low, chickalo, chickalo, chickalo. High, low, chickalo, chickalo, high. Very, very good. Now I have seen in a school someone invert this and do it the opposite way around. And this is what I mean. Low, high, chicka, high, chicka, high, chicka, high. Low, high, chicka, high, chicka, high, low. How confusing is that? Let's try it again. Low, high, chicka, high, chicka, high, chicka, high. Low, high, chicka, high, chicka, high, low. Send in a video of you doing either version as fast as you can, as slow as you can, whichever way you can. We'd love to see it. The next song is about a jack-in-a-box, and I don't know if you have a jack-in-a-box at home, but a jack-in-a-box is one of those toys in a box that surprises you and jumps out. I was always really scared of them as a child. I'm not too fond of them now, but this is a lovely little song that explores pitch, and we're going to jump up when we hear the pitch being high and crouch down low when we hear the pitch being low. Now we've learnt so much in the last 5 weeks together. We know that pitch is the high and low note of music. Okay, this is how the song goes. My turn first. Jack-in-a-box, jack-in-a-box, curl down small. Jack-in-a-box, jump up tall. There is a second verse, I'm going to teach it to you in a minute. Let's just do that bit first. Off I go. Jack-in-a-box, 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 a box, curl down small, curl down small. Jack in a box, Jack in a box, Jack in a box, Jack in a box. Jump up tall, jump up tall. Very, very good. So let's see if we can do those actions as we sing, okay? So I'm going to crouch down so you won't be able to see me. Then I'll be able to jump back up for jump up tall, and hopefully I won't knock the camera over. Here we go. Off we go. Jack in a box, Jack in a box, curl down small. Jack in a box, Jack in a box, jump up tall. Good, you're not shaking. Let's do it again together. Off we go. Jack in a box, Jack in a box, curl down small. Jack in a box, Jack in a box, jump up tall. Great! You can do that at all different speeds, all different tempos, and with all different dynamic levels. Remember what dynamics means? That's the volume levels in music. You can change it. Maybe you can get quieter as you curl down small. Maybe you can get louder as you jump up tall. Now this next verse, the second verse, is great if you've got someone else in the room because you can shock them and surprise them like a jack-in-a-box. So it has Jack in a box, Jack in a box, sit so still. So you can sit down on a chair. Then it has will he come out? Will he come out? Yes, he will. Now you can sing yes, he will whenever you like and surprise people. You can be like, will he come out? Will he come out? Yes, he will. And really, really surprise people. I'd love to see that. So please send in a video if you're able to do that. This next song is just silly and I love it, and it's called Peel Banana. You might know it. Peel banana, peel, peel banana, peel banana, peel, peel banana. That's it. It's so simple, but I can give you the instructions for making a banana smoothie with this song, okay? So we're just going to say all the different things that we would do to add a banana, to blend it all up and then drink the banana. We're going to have so much fun because it's going to be silly, we're going to dance, it's going to be groovy, oh yeah! Okay, we're going to start by peeling, peel, peel, a 1, 2, 3. Peel, banana, peel, peel, banana, peel, banana, peel, peel, banana, chop, banana, chop, chop, banana, chop, banana, chop, chop, banana. Then we mash, banana, mash, mash, banana, mash, banana, mash, mash. Then we're gonna blend, banana, blend, blend, banana, blend, banana, blend, blend. Then add the milk to banana, add the milk to the banana. Blend, banana, blend, blend, banana, blend, banana, blend, blend, banana, pour, banana, pour, banana, pour, banana, pour, banana, drink, banana, drink, banana, drink, banana, drink, banana, yum, banana, yum, banana, yum, banana, yum, banana, 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 stop. Well, that was just silly, wasn't it? Can you think of an instructions for another smoothie at home? Maybe you can do like a berry smoothie or a spinach smoothie or a super green smoothie or a anything smoothie, one that you really, really enjoy. Again, tag me on Twitter, #VFIntoMusic so I can see. We've had so much fun today, and thank you all for being with us. We hope you had a lot of fun and learned something new. If you enjoyed the songs used in today's video, please be sure to check out the Inside Music books from the Voices Foundation, linked in the description below. We hope you enjoy singing these songs over the weekend, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now!